Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rituja and today I am going to show you watercolor mandala. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please do click on I button and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. For this you will need one white clean paper sheet. Cover the edges of the paper with the clean white tape. Also we'll need some watercolors, fine liners for drawing mandala. You can use any other ball pen or gel pen also. Some paintbrush, compass, pencil and scale. For the base, we'll get yellow color and then we'll add some water to it and draw the horizontal stripes. Slowly add the water to the color so it will be thickened and we'll get shades of yellow from darker to lighter. Do as I am doing here. This will look like this. For the second half of the paper, I'll be using red color. Doing the same process, first drawing one vertical stripe, then slowly adding the water to it, so we'll get shades of red. Let it dry properly. Now we will take a midpoint of paper and draw some random circles. Here we got our midpoint. So from this point we'll draw some random circles. This will something looks like this. So using a protractor, we'll divide these circles into equal sections, that is angle of 10 or 5, mark points and then join these points to the midpoint of the circle. After joining all the points, this will looks like this. Now we'll start doing patterns on the circles that we have drawn. These grid lines will help us to make symmetrical patterns. I have made one special video how to draw patterns. Please watch that video. I will link it down here. You can make any pattern out of your choice. It will always depend on you what type of design you want. So according to that you can make patterns. follow the guidelines that do not draw one pattern, one design at once. Draw like I am doing here. You can Google patterns or refer my videos, previous videos for drawing mandala. Here we are doing some detailing part. This will looks like that. Now we will erase all the pencil marks from the drawing. So the final result is here. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to remove that tapes on the edges. That will give us a uniform border. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting. Bye.